Hi, I'm Jennifer, and welcome to Stitch Tutorials with Celtic Knot Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to do a join with a treble crochet. Sometimes this is called standing treble crochet. And it's basically a way that you can start a new color or a new row without doing a chain and a slip stitch in the beginning. So traditionally, to start a new color, with a treble crochet stitch, you would insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through everything, which is a slip stitch, and then you'd chain 4 because you need the height of a treble. And then you'd work your treble crochets as usual, like so. But then you have this funky knot and this not so pretty look, and the chain 4 doesn't look anything like your trebles. So to prevent that, you can just start right away with joining with a treble crochet. But it takes a little finesse with your fingers. It's not difficult, but I think it can look really nice in some projects as opposed to the chain thing here. So let's do a join with treble crochet or standing treble. You'll want to yarn over twice, and what I like to do is I like to hold those yarn overs with my thumb. That way they don't slide around, they don't come undone. Then I insert my hook where I want to begin, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now here you see I have 4 loops on my hook. And sometimes I hold this bottom yarn tail with my non-dominant hand, because sometimes it will slip around and unwind like this, and then I don't have enough yarn overs anymore. So if you want, you can hold that yarn tail and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like so. And there you go. That's how you join with a treble crochet. So I'll show you how to do that one more time. You'll want to put your slip knot on your hook, snug it up nicely. Then you're going to yarn over twice, hold them with your thumb, insert your hook into the stitch you want to start in, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, and I'm holding that yarn tail, at least for the first set of yarn overs. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you go. You have a standing treble crochet. If you like this stitch tutorial, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to click to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!